Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in Waters, Michigan, and they have this, I believe, an ACA Screamer S-5 mounted onto the top of their fire department. You can see that there's the handyman box for the cords, things like that. On this side is the heavy-duty safety switch, along with what looks to be the like warning and labels and whatnot. It's the rotation sticker. That's interesting. I think I all can also see the ID tag. No, that's the arrow for the rotation. So there's not really anything much else to see at this location in particular, I don't think. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is it for now. So yeah, I hope you have a good. I hope you have a good day. See you around some other time.